Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. We are at World of Wheels 2026, Rosemont, Illinois. Let's just check this place out. Nothing better than to start with a custom C2. This thing is wicked. And that paint is something else. Look at that thing.
It's beautiful. I just think it's I don't think it's
That's nice. Let's see, what else do we have? Yeah. 1956 Chevy Bel Air. Those are some crazy looking wheels. It looks black, but I don't know. I think that's like a dark charcoal or something. Let's get in for a closer look and look at these injectors. That's wicked. I like the way that this is gloss here, and yet you may or may not be able to see it. It's basically the same color without as much metal and satin. That's a nice touch.
I'll take his over there.
Let's see if we can't get a look in the interior here. That's crazy. I like that. Let's head over here. I want to show you this. They made a Hot Wheel out of this car. This is the Red Baron. If you have never seen it in person, well, here it is for you. That's crazy. Let's get a closer look at that, if we can. For you model enthusiasts, you gotta love this. A model glue. Let's look at this one. The Mummy Machine. I don't think they made a Hot Wheel of this, but it looks like they made a model of it. I don't ever remember this. It's probably before my time, however. That's cool. The Mummy Machine. That's cool. Here's another look at the Red Baron. You can even buy a model. How about that? Let's see what else we can see here. Let's just go dive right into the show, everybody. Check out this custom Z10, as they're calling it, pickup truck. Yep, Z10, lowered, crazy lights. God knows what's underneath that hood, but I bet it's something cool. Gotta love those rims. Boy, this sucker's sitting low. You're not hauling anything with this car. You are not hauling anything. 1968. That's the same year as RC3. For all you Corvette nuts. Oh, look at that dash. Let me see if I can't get a better look at this. If the crowd will allow it. Let's take a look. That looks something more like on a video game. I like it. All right. I see something I want to show you. I've always liked these GTOs, the Judge. I don't know, there's just something about them. Some guys like Chevelle, some guys like the GS, Gold's Cutlass. What else said on the same platform? You tell me, audience. I like the GTOs. This appears to be a 400, 1970. That's crazy. Red over black with a white top. May I slip through, please?
Yep.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Thank you. Well, so far people here are being very nice. That isn't always the case when I come to the Chicago area, but we're getting good vibes so far. That's nice. Yeah, seriously, I've been here 10, 15 minutes only, but I don't know, I'm getting a different vibe here. A lot of times people are rude when I come up here, but not the case so far, thankfully. Let's go over to this. Ooh, Corvette Dan loves the Novas. And here we have a Nova. Wow. Look at that. Look at those seats. Oh boy. Nice. Those rims are crazy. For all you audiophiles, Hitman. That's nice. Let's roll over now to something different. Here we go. What do you think? You like it? Cuda, Hemi Cuda with a shaker hood. I don't know if you can see in the mirror or not, but boy, everything looks beautiful underneath. Roll cage, racing seats, fire extinguisher, slicks. I like the vibe this thing has got. I'm digging that vibe. Apparently this car has been down the quarter a couple of times, to say the least. Broken parts pictured there. That's cool. There's some real cred there, I would say. Alrighty. Let's move on. There's our Nova. Let's scan over to another Plymouth. Roadrunner. Chrysler, Dodge, whatever. Same thing to me. This is cool. I'm digging this one. 1968 apparently. Let's get a look underneath the hood here. That's cool. Let's get back to some of our favorite Chevrolets. Here we go. Bel Air. What's that, a 57? It always amazes me that the gas cap is behind that little door there on these. I think this is a 57. Bel Air, convertible. Let's call it silver over red and silver with a red top. That looks, man, that looks special. Wow, that's cool. That is cool. Showing the drums as would have been on this car. Fuel injected too. Whoa. You got to get a closer look at this setup. Totally stock. Totally stock underneath the hood, at least from what I can tell. Here's a Chevy pickup truck. Interesting color of blue. That's cool. For those of you who are watching, you have to stay tuned. We're going to be going live today. Why not, right? That's just the kind of situation we got going on here. It just feels like a live. It is a live event. Obviously, I am here, but it just feels like I want to capture this live. I'm going to find a good place to start, hopefully around a bunch of Corvettes, but this is nice. Well, here you have, that's a sneak peek of this show, World of Wheels 2026, Rosemont, Chicago. This is Corvette Dan. Please smash that thumbs up, click the like, click the notifications. As always, appreciate it. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.